Hello everyone. Nice to see you again. I'm Riza Fatmi. I'll present conditional sentence type 3. In this lesson, we will learn definition, form, and example. Definition: conditional sentence type 3 is a conditional sentence that is impossible to happen. Why is it impossible? The conditional sentence is a conditional sentence. There is a result and there is also a conditional. So, a conditional sentence is called a conditional sentence type 3 if the result or consequence is not possible because the conditional must have been fulfilled in the past. Conditional sentence ini adalah pengandaian di masa yang lampau dan itu tidak bisa lagi kita rubah. Dan kita mengandaikannya dengan kalimat yang unreal atau kalimat yang tidak benar, untrue. Rumus conditional sentence type 3. Untuk menyusun sebuah conditional sentence type 3, Anda dapat menggunakan susunan kata berikut ini. If plus past perfect tense plus subject plus would, should, could, might plus have plus verb 3 or past participle. Atau bisa dibalik seperti ini. Subject plus would, should, could, might plus have plus verb 3 or past participle plus if or past perfect tense. Kalau rumus di atas kurang jelas, bisa diperinci lagi, maka akan menjadi seperti berikut ini. If plus subject plus had plus verb 3 plus subject plus would, should, could, might plus have plus verb 3 atau bisa dibalik seperti ini. Subject plus would, should, could, might plus have plus verb 3 plus if plus subject plus had plus verb 3. Subject bisa seperti I, she, he, they, we, dan lain-lain. Jika letak if di tengah, maka tidak perlu menggunakan koma, tapi jika letak if di awal, maka harus menggunakan koma. Contoh kalimat menggunakan modal would, could, dan might. If I had studied, I would have passed the exam. If I had studied, I could have passed the exam. If I had studied, I might have passed the exam. If bisa diletakkan di tengah. I would have passed the exam if I had studied. I could have passed the exam if I had studied. I might have passed the exam if I had studied. Formnya yaitu if plus subject plus had plus past participle. Subject plus would, should, have, could, might have plus past participle. Jadi polanya if ditambah subject, tambah had, tambah verb 3. Kemudian kita tulis lagi subject, tambah would, should, could, might, have, dan verb 3. Example, if you had remembered to invite me, I would have attended your party. Ini adalah imagination. Faktanya, saya atau dia atau kamu tidak berada di pesta itu. Another example, we might have gone to South America if she had not been pregnant. Gambar yang kiri itu adalah imagination dan yang faktanya Yang si perempuan hamil sehingga mereka tidak bisa pergi ke Amerika Selatan. Contoh lain, if she hadn't taken the course, she wouldn't have gotten the scholarship. Yang gambar sebelah kiri adalah imagination, diungkapkan dengan conditional sentence type 3. Dan yang kanan, gambar mereka faktanya, si perempuan itu tidaklah mendapatkan beasiswa. Another example, if I had locked the car, the thief wouldn't have stolen my car. Nah, itu gambarnya. Yang sebelah kiri itu hanya imagination, faktanya pintu mobilnya tidak dikunci sehingga mobilnya dicuri. Another example, if I had known you were coming, I would have baked a cake. In Indonesia, jika saya tahu kamu datang, saya akan memanggang kue. Another example, I would have been happy if you had called me on my birthday. What is in bahasa Indonesia? In bahasa Indonesia, saya akan senang jika kamu menelponku saat hari ulang tahunku. In English, you could have been on time if you had caught the bus. What is in Indonesia? In Indonesia, kamu bisa tepat waktu jika kamu naik bus. Another example, saya akan membelikan kamu hadiah jika saya tahu ini hari ulang tahunmu. What is in English? In English, I would have bought you a present if I had known it was your birthday. In Indonesia, jika cuaca bagus, mereka akan bermain sepak bola. In English, if the weather had been nice, they would have played football. Jika polisi datang lebih awal, mereka akan menangkap pencurinya. What is in English? If the police had come earlier, they would have arrested the burglar. In Indonesia, jika kamu membeli sayuran yang segar, saladmu akan terasa lebih enak. What is in English? In English, if you had bought fresh green vegetable, your salad would have tasted better. In Indonesia, jika ia bicara lebih pelan, Budi akan mengerti dia. What is in English? In Indonesia, jika ia berbicara lebih pelan, Budi akan mengerti dia atau mengerti apa yang dibicarakan olehnya. In English, if he had spoken more slowly, Budi would have understood what he was saying. Well, students, I will give you some questions about conditional sentence type 3. Please choose the most appropriate answer to complete the blank sentences below. Tapi sebelumnya, saya sampaikan kesimpulan tentang conditional sentence type 3. Ini adalah merupakan kalimat pengandaian untuk kejadian di masa lampau. Itu sudah terjadi sehingga kita tidak bisa merubahnya lagi. Jadi, kalimat yang terdapat dalam kalimat conditional sentence type 3 itu adalah untrue, tidak benar, atau dia hanya bersifat hayalan atau imagination. Oke, kita mulai. Question number 1. Question number 1. If Budi blah 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 me, I blah 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 email the document. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. If Budi blah 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 me, I would have emailed the document. Penjelasannya, rumus conditional sentence type 3 adalah if plus subject plus head plus verb 3 and subject plus would, should, could, might plus have plus verb 3. Atau bisa dibalik seperti subject plus would, should, could, might plus have plus verb 3 plus if plus subject plus had plus verb 3. Now question number 2. If your team had blah 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 damage, they would have blah 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 up in their leagues. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is A. If your team had won the match, they would have moved up their leagues. Penjelasannya, hati-hati dengan irregular verb atau kata kerja tidak beraturan. Verb 3 dari win adalah won, bukan win tambah ed. Question number 3. If I had blah 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 you are coming, I would have prepared a delicious meal. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is A. If I had known you were coming, I would have prepared a delicious meal. Penjelasannya, verb 3 dari know adalah noun, verb 2 adalah knew. Ini juga merupakan irregular verb. Number 4, they would have played football if the weather had blah 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 nice. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. They would have played football if the weather had been nice. Penjelasannya, been merupakan verb 3 or past participle dari be. Question number 5. If they had taken him to the hospital earlier, he blah blah blah. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. If they had taken him to the hospital earlier, he wouldn't have died. Penjelasannya, sebenarnya kamu bisa saja menggunakan jawaban B, tapi kalau dilihat kalimatnya secara keseluruhan, jawaban B tidak masuk akal. Masa ada orang sakit yang dibawa ke rumah sakit lebih cepat kok malah mati? Kan seharusnya tidak. Jadi, jawabannya yang paling tepat adalah C. Wouldn't atau would not. The game would have blah 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 better if the trainer had blah 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 as substitute in during the second half. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is A. The game would have become better if the trainer had sent a substitute in during the second half. Question number 7. If the boys had blah 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 the bus to school, they would have arrived on time. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. If the boys had taken the bus to school, they would have arrived on time. Question number 8. If you had blah 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 to the meeting yesterday, you would have met Sinta. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. If you had come to the meeting yesterday, you would have met Sinta. Question number 9. Jika polisi datang lebih awal, mereka akan menangkap pencurinya. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is A. If the police had come earlier, they would have arrested the burglar. Question number 10. Jika cuaca lebih baik akhir pekan lalu, kita akan pergi ke pantai. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is A. If the weather had been better last weekend, we would have gone to the beach. Okay, student at home, thank you for watching. And the viewer at home, para penonton semuanya, ya silakan klik subscribe kalau dirasa video saya ini bermanfaat untuk bahasa Inggris kalian semuanya. Dan terima kasih kepada teman-teman yang sudah subscribe. See you. Bye-bye.